Well, that's right, Nupur. We are inside a COVID screening center here in Chennai, and this is at the Kendriya Vidyalaya Island grounds. And as you can see behind me, COVID patients are being screened here as well. This is a triage center from where patients who have been tested and sent for screening here will be sent either for COVID care centers or for home isolation, or they will be, if they are severe cases, they will be admitted in the hospitals here. Both major hospitals, the Madras Medical College as well as the Omandirar Multi-Speciality Hospital is from where the patients have come in here for getting themselves screened. You just saw right behind me that there were several patients who have been coming in batch by batch in the ambulances, and utmost precaution is being taken here by the Greater Chennai Corporation as well as the Tamil Nadu government. Following the patients having come here, they will be sent for verification, post which, if my cameraman could just pan, they will be sent to one of these screening centers as well, where they will be given tests including X-ray as well as other labs that will be sent. Following their test and screening completed, you can see several counters here behind me. Counter 1 is including that of masks, medicines and all of those other precautionary measures that will be taken for those patients who is required to go into home isolation. So those patients will be given such individual kits as well. Each kit consists of multivitamin tablets as well as face masks, Kabasura Kudineer, as well as several other important measures and tablets and medicines that they will be taking home once they have been tested and the infection is low and they have been approved by the doctors here for home isolation. Following that, you also have several other doctors out here as well who will tell patients if they will need to be transferred to COVID care centers that have been set up here by the Tamil Nadu government, or if cases are extreme and if the infection is extreme, they will be transported back in the same ambulances that they came in back to either the Omandirar Government Multi-Speciality Hospital or to the Madras Medical College, where they will be admitted and be treated. So definitely this is one of the major screening centers that the Chennai Greater Corporation has set up. They are also expecting to see a higher input of COVID patients coming in, now that especially the state of Tamil Nadu has seen an increasing number of COVID cases. Yesterday alone, Tamil Nadu recorded close to 20,000 plus new COVID cases as well. And now this screening center, in fact, is going to be one of the major.
So in a sense, the government stepping up its response to the increased number of COVID-19 cases, Apurva, that are coming from Tamil Nadu. For the moment, Apurva, thank you for joining us. Now,